As I sit here on the shop floor and reflect and think back about all the spaces that I have used and turned into workshops over my life, I've come up with 6 things that when they're in my shop, I feel that my shop functions well, it's safe, and I love being in it. Those 6 things are this, in no particular order. First is lighting. Having plenty of light in a shop so you can see what you're doing is super beneficial. Next is a work table, something like this one right here, or anything that gives you the ability to work on whatever you're working on something stable. Next is electrical. Having plenty of outlets throughout the workshop, pretty much on every wall, is beneficial. If you're not having to drag cords around, your life is going to be so much better and you're going to enjoy being in the shop. Next is air filtration, either a dust collection system or an air filtration unit that mounts on the ceiling that cleans the air in the shop. If you're in there working and you're making sawdust, your health is the #1 concern while you're in there. Next on my list is having compressed air at hand in the shop. So I have a reel that sits up on the ceiling and I can pull that down and it's full of air whenever I want. It makes a huge difference in my shop. I don't know why, but it just does. And last is storage. You need all kinds of storage in your shop to put all your stuff in, because you're gonna collect stuff and it has to go somewhere, and on the floor is not a good place for it. So having places to put it so that your shop stays clean is huge. And that's really what all of these things to me help me do, is to help me to keep my shop organized so I'm not tripping over stuff. So let's go look at lighting first off. Let's go see. All right, so on the ceiling here I have 4-foot strips. I have 6 units, each having 2 4-foot bulbs. These are LED bulbs, which I find just make for amazing lights. It's consistent and you don't get any fluctuations. It helps with filming like this. And it just makes for an overall consistent, even light throughout the shop, and that's what's beneficial. Those are the lights that I chose for my shop. If you guys are interested in them, I'll leave a link in the notes section below. They're on Amazon. You can go check them out. Guys, so that's part 1 of this video series. Part 2, we're going to be talking about this workbench that I built for myself in the shop. I'm going to just show you how I did it, talk about some of the components on here that really help me out to do what I need to do here. Guys, I really appreciate you spending some time with me today. Like, share, subscribe, comment if you're watching on YouTube. It really helps. And if you're on our website, please leave a comment below. Interact with the community that's there. I love to see you guys interact and help each other out. Thanks again for joining me today. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.